Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Audi A3 side mirror. Start by gathering a flathead screwdriver, trim tool, replacement glass or assembly, and a soft cloth before you begin. Next, remove the interior trim gently, unplug the mirror connector, and test the motor or heating element. I will guide you through removing the old part, installing the replacement, reconnecting the wiring, and testing the mirror for proper movement and heat. Start by rolling the window down slightly and positioning the seat for easy access. Use a plastic trim tool to pry the interior cover off without scratching the paint or fabric. Find and remove the fasteners that secure the mirror assembly, then gently pull the mirror away to expose the wiring harness. Carefully unclip the harness and set the interior trim aside in a safe place so nothing rattles or gets lost while you work. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy car repair tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and help you budget for repairs, parts, or upgrades with confidence. I find its simple advice handy when planning projects like mirror replacements. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the old mirror removed, test the new component by connecting it to the harness and briefly powering the circuit. Verify motor movement and heating function before securing. Align the assembly to the mounting holes, reinstall the screws to factory torque, and snap the interior trim back into position. Finally, reconnect the battery, operate the mirror through its full range, and make any fine adjustments for perfect alignment and function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.